drive through the pass. The pass is very impressive. Come on, Bailey. Wouldn't want to be big. You can see that from all the scratches, the big lorries and things come up here. I think it's meant to be an eagle.
They just mine from there, aren't they?
No, that's the pass. They mine from up there on that road. There.
Mine from what?
That road leading up, the mine will be up there somewhere.
Oh, you think mine will be just one?
Yeah, it says mine vehicles. Mine vehicles only.
Oh, so that will be around there.
Yeah, so the mine will be up there somewhere.
And these look like slate, so they dropped slate like
Yeah,
that.
that's been made.
Oh, okay.
This whole thing's made of slate.
Oh, nice. Oh, look at this pass. It's impressive, isn't it?
It's scary.
This is the pass, isn't it?
Yeah, scary road. Wouldn't want to be in up car. Going up there. We thought we were going to miss this one on the way back. We just caught the signpost for it. It's on our itinerary, and 7:30 in the evening now. Absolutely beautifully
Gorgeous, isn't it? Look at these.
Circle on the lake.
Look at these mountains. It's just like, oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Look at that. The ice on the top of those mountains. I don't know if I can capture them, but
Stonehenge has got nothing on that. Well, that may not be as big, but yeah.
the view.
Stonehenge is so underwhelming, isn't it? Quite over it.
Look at that. Look at that. You like it here. What are you doing, Bailey? Yeah, Bailey is free now.